What's up guys, it's Luke, your digital concierge here at Gramophone. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sonos Port. So we've done our fair share of Sonos product videos now, covering their soundbars and their marvelous wireless speakers. And don't forget to check out those other Sonos videos, by the way. However, there's another part of the Sonos line, and it's the part that's most important to us as an integrations company, and that is the port. The port brings everything together as it gives you the ability to add the wonderful Sonos environment to any existing audio system of virtually any kind. Let's dive in, figure out what the port can do and what it's going to bring to your system. Features and compatibility are the same subject for the port, as its biggest feature is giving you connectivity. So let's talk about all the options that this brings to the table for your system. Flipping this around, you can see all the ways to connect to it on the back. Obviously you connect to power, but you also have two Ethernet jacks, so it has a really reliable internet connection and you can have backups because of that. You have analog in, so this allows you to take something like a turntable and actually stream it across your Sonos system. Yes, you heard me right, streaming of vinyl. That's pretty cool. Obviously it takes analog and makes it digital, but I still think that's pretty awesome, especially if you got some rare albums and you enjoy using your turntable. This also has an analog out. That way you can use the built-in DAC in this to give you streaming functionality to an existing analog-only system. And for the price point of this product, the built-in DAC is actually pretty decent. And then lastly, you have a coaxial digital out, and I'm really glad that Sonos went with the coax option for digital streaming, as I find that on products like this, coax tends to output a little bit more cleaner than optical anyway. So using all these connectors and functionality, you can add an abundance of features to your system. Whether it's streaming over virtually every music source there is using the Sonos app, which is arguably the best streaming app that there is, or on the flip side by being able to integrate other analog components of your system back into other digital components in your system, such as using a turntable or a CD player from one room to stream it in the other. With a few ports, you can have different forms of music going on in every single room of your house, all through different systems, and all easily controlled on the same app. While having those dual Ethernet jacks, the port also has Wi-Fi built in, so you can use it wirelessly as well for that added convenience. And on that note, supports Apple AirPlay 2 using Wi-Fi. Lastly, this has individual tone controls for each group in your system to custom tune your sound to exactly the way you want it. Alright guys, now we'll talk about the design aspects of the port. I'll start with the basics, which are the dimensions. This is 1.6 inches tall, and being a square shape on all sides, this is 5.4 inches. It also weighs a featherweight 1 pound, half an ounce. The thing about the port is that all the magic of this unit is inside because it's built to be a compatibility monster. But from the right point of view, this is a little design marvel. It looks like it's all been cut from one box. All the edges are rounded. There's nothing sharp on this. I love how they do the two-tone logo on the top that just has that slight bit of pop. Sonos has attention to detail everywhere, even when those details are designed to be subtle. And that is my favorite thing about Sonos, is not only does their stuff sound amazing, does it work great, even in the things that aren't meant to be seen, they are still elegant. The Sonos port functions like the big boss of your audio group, making everything work together. And for just under $500, you can bring that simplicity, ease of use, and high quality listening into your audio experience. And if that's something that you want to do, click that link down below and head right on over to skybygramophone.com, where you can pick up your own Sonos port and have it sent fast and free straight to your door. If you need any help coming up with project ideas, need to schedule a service request, or would just like to speak to one of our hi-fi, home theater, or interior design experts, go get inspired over at gramophone.com. And if you have a question directly for me, please ask at gramophone.com. I'd love to help you out as best as I can. Also, don't forget to visit one of our showroom locations, either in Timonium, Columbia, or Gaithersburg, Maryland, or our Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. Alright guys, you know what to do. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and drop a comment for me down below. And make sure you subscribe to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. But I want to hear from you. What do you guys think of the port and of other Sonos products? What else do you want to see from me in the future? Thank you for watching. Be seeing you.